Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your physical Android device to test out your website that is still in development. So how can you achieve that? First of all, let me project my Android device so that we can see what I am doing. First, I will have to use strcpy to project my Android device. Now we have my Android device up here. When I try to refresh, nothing comes up, but on my system the local site is running here. Even when we refresh, we can see the site. So how can we go about this? To project or to view your localhost or development sites on your physical Android device, what you do is to do port forwarding. To achieve that, you go to a new tab, and then you search for Chrome Inspect Devices. Once you do that, your phone will be recognized. The very first thing you do is to set up port forwarding. You enter the port. The port is 5173, right? 5173. And then we include the localhost and the port, which is 5173. We do the same thing here. And click done. Once that is done, we wait for it to come up, and then we refresh our phone to see if we can get that. Yes, now we have our localhost site on our physical Android device. But if you notice, there is a latest news that is here which we cannot see. Why is that happening? We are using an Express server that runs on localhost 5000 to post or to control the back end of this ReactJs project. So for us to also see or to make use of the Express server on our physical Android device, we need to also port forward the Express server's port. So let's head back to this place, and then we include the port, which is 5000, and then localhost 5000. We do the same thing that we did before. And then we wait for it to come up. Once it has come up, we try to refresh our site on our mobile device. Let us do that once more. Okay, wait for it to come up here, and then we refresh. We refresh here. Now we have our site, our localhost site, or our site that is still in development in our physical Android device. So guys, this is how we can easily test out our sites that are still in development using our physical Android device, so that we can have a feel of how the site will look after development. Thank you for watching. Don't fail to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Having a wonderful day.